Bible Study Guide, Day 47, Leviticus 11 to 13. In Leviticus 11, God gives the Israelites specific instructions on what they can and cannot eat. These dietary laws were not just arbitrary rules, but had spiritual significance as well. By abstaining from certain foods, the ancient Israelites were reminded to be holy and set apart for God. Today, we may not have the same dietary restrictions as the Israelites, but we can still apply the principle of being holy and set apart for God in our daily lives. We should carefully consider what we consume, whether it be food, media, or relationships. Are they beneficial to our spiritual growth and relationship with God, or do they lead us away from Him? As followers of Christ, we are called to be separate from the world and its ways. Let us use the dietary laws in Leviticus 11 as a reminder to be holy and consecrated for God in all aspects of our lives. In Leviticus 12, God gives instructions for purification rituals after childbirth. At first glance, these laws may seem outdated or irrelevant to us today. However, the underlying principle is still applicable. God desires for His people to be clean and pure. Just like how a woman had to go through a period of purification after childbirth, we too need to constantly examine ourselves and ask God for forgiveness when we sin. We cannot earn salvation through rituals or works, but as believers, it is important for us to strive towards living a holy and blameless life for God. In Leviticus 13, we see detailed instructions on how to identify and deal with leprosy among the Israelites. Again, while these laws may seem outdated today, they served as a way for God's people to maintain physical and spiritual cleanliness. Leprosy was not only a physical disease, but it also symbolized sin and its effects on our lives. Just like how leprosy could spread and contaminate others, sin can also spread and harm those around us. It is important for us to constantly examine ourselves and ask God to cleanse us from any spiritual impurity. Furthermore, these laws also remind us of the importance of caring for and showing compassion to those who are suffering. As followers of Christ, we are called to love and serve others, even in their times of need. In addition to leprosy, this chapter also discusses the identification and handling of mold in homes. Again, while these laws may seem strange today, they served as a reminder for God's people to maintain cleanliness and purity in their dwellings. As believers, we should also strive towards keeping our living spaces clean and organized. A cluttered and messy home can greatly affect our mental and emotional well-being. Let us use these regulations as a reminder to take care of our physical surroundings while also keeping our hearts and minds pure for God. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.